Hi guys, it's Kristen and I'm going to be showing you a 3 to 5 minute updo hairstyle that you guys can do with your natural hair. Right now I'm just taking down my nice rollers, my grandma rollers. I'm taking them down so I can get some popping curls. I actually have a video on this actual hairstyle, another hairstyle that I do with these curls. I will leave that link below. But to achieve the updo look, you do want some curls like these. It can be like 2-day-old curls, 1-day-old curls, but mine are just like really fresh. I tend to actually like the style a little bit better when it's like 1 day old. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do the 3 to 5 minute updo hairstyle. So I'm currently putting up my hair. You want about 4 clips that you can put in your hair. I'm going to show you the clips that I have. You want 2 big ones and a couple of the small ones. I'm going to clip it over and I'm just going to start separating my curls. So you don't have to do this with like every curl for this hairstyle. I just did it for every curl because I knew I wanted a different hairstyle probably the next day. I wasn't going to want that updo, and the different hairstyle required for me to unravel all of my curls in sections with like 4 times per curl. So I'm finishing up unraveling my curls, and it actually doesn't take long at all. Like, these curls came from overnight, like so serious. Overnight. So now I'm just gonna set the side I want my hair on. I'm gonna give it a nice little detailed part, and I'm gonna add some edge control on my edges and swoop it on. The edge control that I'm using, you guys, is HairByOmega edge control. Look, this edge control is popping. It's the truth. It's the only one I will use, hunty. Okay, and on top of that, it's my friend's. She has her own hair and hair products brand, and it's popping. Get into it. So now we're gonna get into this hairstyle. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. Once you have your hair parted on one side, you're gonna want to put all your hair into like you're trying to put it into a high ponytail. You're gonna twist it. And as you can see, you can already see kind of how it's going to look, but it's going to look a little bit better than that. You're going to take one of your clips and clip it in. That's going to hold them up, but you're going to get another clip and you're going to clip that other one for security on the other side. So once you've done that, that's basically the basis of this updo hairstyle. Is like really easy. The curls make it like much more popping. So I have all my curls on one side. My side of the head is like very detailed as far as my edges are. Like, you can detail that out as much as you want to as far as your edges and baby hairs and stuff. So the other clip, I'm just gonna clip up those curls that's hanging down because I didn't want too many hanging down on the side of my face. I want my curls like popping on top of my head, kind of like if I had like a short cut. You're gonna want some bobby pins. You're gonna want like 3 or 4 of those, and then you're just gonna pin your hair and style it how you want to at the top. You're gonna frame it to your face on how you would like your hair to look, and that's just exactly what I do. I'm just framing it to my face at this point, like how I like it, and that's it. It's so easy, y'all. So easy. So we're gonna go back to this popping edge control and go back into it, and we're actually going to get that kitchen straight. We're gonna put that edge control on our kitchen, okay? And after that, we're just gonna take the little edge control brush and brush it out, so that way it ain't looking all nappy nap back there, okay? And I'm really doing this for y'all in regular speed. Like, that part I did in regular speed, it literally took no time. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you get a chance to do this with your hair. It's really easy. Make sure you check the links in the description box for other videos that I do with my natural hair. Bye.